Hi, everyone. I am at home. I'm in a place I call my studio where I like to do some work. And I decided that I was going to clean up a little bit before I get started. If you could see this place, you'd say, you got to clean up. So, anyways, I went through, I found all these things my mom's given me magazines, catalogs. And I'm like, are you kidding me? These are from last summer, Christmas. These are old. So I've already read them, but some of them have great pictures, and for whatever reason, I can't always throw them away. And so what I've decided to do is start ripping them up, and I'm going to start to put them in to different color pages because some of them have, like, see this is a nice picture, but I'm thinking I'm going to do a big collage piece of art, and because maybe you don't have paint at home, maybe hopefully you have some scissors and glue. And if not, I'll try to figure out a way to teach you that part. Anyways, I'm going to tear these out and I'm going to put them in to different piles of the same color. So I'm going to put anything that has red in it in one pile, anything that has green in it in another pile. I'm going to recommend you start doing this because I've got an idea.